Hello, my name is Sven Burrow and I'm Head of Product Management at Neugart. When it comes to increasing machine performance, engineers often face a trade-off. Achieving higher performance frequently requires extensive modifications to the drive system. This is exactly where our new Pro series comes in. With the PSM Pro, PSFM Pro and the PSBM Pro product series, we offer an exceptional level of performance for highly dynamic applications, featuring significantly higher torque, outstanding motion quality, and dynamics that set new benchmarks. What makes the Pro series unique is that you can benefit from this performance increase without redesigning your machine. The gearboxes are based on common frame sizes, proven interfaces, and the options you already know. As a result, integration into existing machine concepts is easy and straightforward. This means more performance, greater dynamics, and improved process stability without engineering compromises. The Neugart Pro series, maximum performance, easy integration.